Shalom brethren, this is Bradley Simeu from RRCCT Church, that is Restoration Revival Church. We are located in Miskoma along Mateka Road, and this moment just want to invite you to our youth regional rally, which will be taking place on Saturday, that is 22nd of August from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I just want to invite all the youth outside there from all the other churches to come and be equipped with the knowledge, and the theme which we shall be sharing on will be overcoming peer pressure and setting examples, which is based from the book of 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 12, where the Bible says that do not let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. So come one, come all, let us be equipped with this great knowledge from the men of God that shall be available that day as we encounter the move of God. So be prepared, come in one accord, come with your notebooks, at least to note something down, and